What's up, guys? COD Freak here. This is gonna be a part two of my getting gold camo on the gun. I reached the maximum capacity on the first one, so kind of makes no sense. But if you watch this, it makes no sense. So, well, I don't know how it would, but I don't know. Alright, so almost there. I am very happy. How many kills do I have left? Oh my god! I have like 2 more kills to get it. I immediately 3 people, or 2 people I mean. So close. Come on. Pause this video and I will be right back. Okay, I just got it. Go to create a class. Okay, guys, I am very happy right now. So, yeah. Very, very happy. Alright, peace out. See you guys later.